How to increase Google Drive storage for free. So if you want to increase Google Drive storage for free, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Google Drive at first, go with the apps which is on the top right and go with search and search for Google Drive. Once you're here, now as you can see that I don't have much storage, right? So in order to increase your Google Drive storage, what you can do is go with another account. Like I'll just simply go with an account which is right here and go with the drive of this account. And as you can see that I have storage right here. So select a drive in which you have your storage. Now you can go with new and go with new folder. Like for example, I have 15 GB left, right? Or I mean 40 point something GB left. So I'll just simply write 14 GB, rename that and go with create. Once you've created this folder, now what you need to do is just simply go with share, and here you need to enter the mail address of your personal ID that you've just used right here. So enter the name. After that, once you've selected, you need to go with the editor. Make sure that you've selected editor and then write any message that you're comfortable with and go with send. Now, once you've sent or once the access has been updated, now you just need to go back to this your original drive, and now you can go with shared with me. And here, as you can see, that you will have 14 GB. So you just need to simply open this drive, and after opening, you can go and upload something. Like I'll just simply go with new and then go with file upload and upload something right here. And once I've uploaded, you can see that I previously had 12.98 GB, and even after uploading this file, it has not changed. It's in 12.98 GB, which means I can upload 14 GB of my data right here on this folder. So in this way, you'll be able to increase your Google Drive storage for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.